Jade Guerra shares how chiropractic adjustments can enhance your wellness routine. 1. Introduction to chiropractic care and wellness. Chiropractic care is more than just a treatment for back pain, it's an essential component of a well-rounded wellness routine. According to Jade Guerra, a chiropractic expert, regular adjustments can improve overall health and vitality, supporting your body's natural ability to heal. By addressing misalignments in the spine, chiropractic care helps restore balance to the nervous system, which plays a critical role in your body's function. 2. Enhancing physical well-being. One of the primary benefits of chiropractic adjustments is improved physical well-being. Guerra explains that misaligned vertebrae, known as subluxations, can disrupt the body's communication pathways, leading to discomfort and even injury. Regular chiropractic visits help correct these misalignments, reducing pain and improving mobility. Whether you're dealing with chronic back pain, headaches, or muscle tension, chiropractic care can alleviate these issues, allowing you to engage in physical activities with ease. 3. Boosting mental and emotional health. Chiropractic care doesn't just benefit the body, it also positively impacts mental and emotional health. Guerra highlights that misalignments in the spine can increase stress on the nervous system, potentially leading to anxiety and mental fatigue. Regular adjustments help calm the nervous system, reduce stress, and improve your overall mood. This, in turn, promotes a more relaxed state of mind, making it easier to focus, relax, and even sleep better. 4. Supporting the immune system. Your immune system is closely linked to your spinal health. Guerra notes that spinal misalignments can impair nerve function, weakening the immune system's ability to fight off infections. Chiropractic adjustments restore nerve function, promoting a healthier immune response. As part of a comprehensive wellness routine, chiropractic care helps you stay resilient and better equipped to fend off illnesses. 5. Creating a holistic wellness routine. Jade Guerra encourages incorporating chiropractic care into your regular wellness routine. It complements other healthy lifestyle practices such as a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management. With consistent adjustments, you not only address immediate physical discomfort but also support long-term well-being. Chiropractic care is a proactive approach to health, ensuring that your body remains in alignment and operates at its best.